Okay, so this is my second project for modeling and simulations to explore the geometry modeling. So I have used two tools, Tinkercad and Zcore Brush Mini. The first uh, object that I have modeled is an M&M toy using Tinkercad tool. So the first slide shows different original views of this object. The reason why I chose this object is because I had found this inside my house and I had a look at its features and thought that it would be easy for a beginner to model in a Tinkercad, as I was using Tinkercad for the first time. And to explain how I did it, I would say I used elliptical shape to make the head and the body, the elongated cylinders to join for hands and legs, and small parts to create the shoes. Uh, Slide shows the real time images from the Tinkercad tool for the M&M toy. The next object that I modeled is a moose wall art. So basically, uh, I had found or I had seen this in my neighbor's house, and I wanted to make a challenging clay model. And by looking at moose ear, nose, and horns, I felt that this will be an excellent choice to go for. So I did spend a couple of hours in Zcore Brush Mini to understand how to use different brush and what intensity size they should be used for the clay modeling. Also, I found an online tutorial which helped me achieving this object modeling. So I started with a sphere and moved the clay in an elliptical shape to make the face of the moose. I use snake hook brush to make the ear and horns. I carve the holes using a clay builder brush, and I detail the moose features using slash 3 brush and pinch brush. So the next slide basically shows the different views for this object that I've modeled in Zcore Brush Mini. And overall, I would say I really enjoyed the process of making these 3D